Hello! Workplace safety is a top priority for every organization, and achieving ISO 45001:2018 certification is the best way to demonstrate commitment to employee health and well-being. At Filings Corner, we help businesses implement effective safety management systems and achieve hassle-free certification. What is ISO 45001:2018? Narrator. ISO 45001:2018 is an internationally recognized standard for occupational health and safety (OHSMS) management systems. It provides a structured framework for organizations to identify workplace hazards, reduce risks, and ensure employee safety. Who needs ISO 45001:2018 certification? Narrator. Any business that values workplace safety should consider this certification, including manufacturing companies, prevent workplace injuries in production environments, construction firms, ensure site safety and mitigate project-related risks, logistics and transportation, improve safety measures for drivers and handlers, healthcare facilities, protect medical professionals from occupational hazards, service-based companies, foster a safe and healthy office environment. Public sector entities, meet compliance standards for workplace safety. Why is ISO 45001:2018 important? Narrator. This certification brings multiple benefits: enhanced workplace safety, minimize risks, and prevent accidents. Regulatory compliance, stay aligned with national and international health and safety laws. Risk management, identify and mitigate potential workplace hazards. Improved employee morale, foster a culture of safety and well-being. Operational efficiency, reduce downtime caused by workplace incidents. Stronger stakeholder confidence, showcase a commitment to workplace safety. How does Filings Corner assist in the certification process? Narrator. Here's how Filings Corner ensures a smooth and efficient certification process. 1. Consultation and initial assessment. Our experts evaluate your current safety measures. 2. Documentation and compliance review. We help you gather and prepare essential documents. 3. Audit and verification. A thorough compliance check ensures adherence to ISO 45001 standards. 4. Certification issuance. Receive your official ISO 45001:2018 certification. Documents required. Narrator. Industry-specific documents include health and safety policies, risk assessment and incident reports, workplace safety training records, regulatory compliance documents, business registration certificates, GST, MSME, etc. Why choose Filings Corner? Narrator. Why trust Filings Corner with your ISO 45001:2018 certification? Accredited ISO certification provider, industry experts in safety and compliance, fast, hassle-free certification process, confidential, end-to-end support. Get certified today. Narrator. Enhance workplace safety, ensure compliance, and boost operational efficiency with ISO 45001:2018 certification. Get in touch with Filings Corner today or visit filingscorner.com to start your certification process effortlessly.